In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the quality of the reels you watch or videos you watch on Facebook. Yeah. So I want to show you guys how you can turn on HD quality. Yeah. So what we are going to do is we just tap on this reel here we see on our screen. Good. And now let's pause it. So to turn on the HD mode, what we are going to do is we tap on the three dots. You can see it under your like button, comment button, share button, save button, and then you move to the three dots. Tap on that. Good. And you can see quality settings, just tap on that too as well. Good. Then what we are going to do is you can see quality, tap on the quality. Good. And then the HD is the 1080 pixel 720 640. So we turn on the 1080. Good. So now every reel we are going to watch is going to be in HD. Yeah. So if you have a lot of mobile data or fast internet, you can turn it on like that, so you watch reels in HD. So that's it on how you change your video qualities on reels on Facebook. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.